Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy, and today we're here with Marilyn.
Yes.
And Marilyn, what brought you into the office?
I saw your advertisement on TV, and my husband had decided that we're going to give this a try because I have severe neuropathy in both legs and actually had no feeling in my left leg, could not feel the floor on my left foot.
How long has that been going on?
About 5 years.
Wow.
And had started getting worse. And my father lost both of his legs to diabetic neuropathy, and
Oh my gosh.
I was bound and determined this was not going to happen if it could be avoided, and we decided let's give this a try. And my sister got an invitation to one of your seminars.
Oh.
So I came over with her husband and we did the seminar. I was impressed with it, and I thought, well, let's give it a try.
Yeah. So now we've been under care for just a month now, right?
Yes.
And what were you just telling me today? What you noticed already?
It's amazing. No more pain. Very little pain.
Wow.
I have tremendous feeling back in both legs.
That's awesome.
It's wonderful. It's amazing how much different it is working.
Yeah.
And
How's that impacting your life now?
I can't wait to get back out to the mountains and go hiking.
That's awesome.
And feel the ground
Yes.
again.
Absolutely.
It's wonderful.
Well, I appreciate you sharing that with everyone today. You know, this is what it's all about. You know, helping people get their lives back.
Oh, yes.
Not only feel better, but function better and
Oh.
get back to those things that they love doing.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
It's
if
amazing.
this is you, if you've been dealing with neuropathy, you know, maybe it's a few months, maybe it's a few years, maybe it's a few decades. Don't hesitate another minute. Give us a call. We're here to help.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.